I can't see it all. So I gotta make sure you get that.
Katie! Hi, Katie. I'm taking a video. Nice ass, actually.
Oh, no! It's bananas! I want to miss bananas. I'm a fucking graduate of Southampton High School! Yeah!
I'd be so happy. Katie!
Oh, you want to see my outfit? Oh, it's really cute, yeah.
No, stand up and... Woo! Woo! Oh, you look cute. Now put the banana costume back on. I like the banana. Katie! You're such a fucking fruitcake. Hi, Natalie. Scream, such. Katie! There's a car in my fucking lawn with a girl in a banana suit on top.
Your neighbors are probably thinking, what the fuck?
I know, right? My neighbors. My neighbors probably think I'm fucking nuts.
Oh, my license!
Oh my god. You guys are unbelievable.
Katie wants to go to your neighbor's house to drive all the way through and call you out and watch us do it, and then she was going to donut through your front yard. I was like, okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to park in her neighbor's yard. Okay. We're going to get in the banana costume. Okay. We're going to call Becky. Okay. We're going to come out and we're going to drive through the yard. Okay. And we're going to donut. Okay. I was like, her mom might be a little mad. I don't want her. Girl.
Cute outfit.
You look cute.
We don't have to go ahead.
I walked down Kyle's house.
Walk down the street. You look like a fucking...
Now, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, Miss Banana.
May you please get
That was cute, Katie. Real
off of
attractive.
the car. We have to. She has to leave. This is normal.
Dude, my cousin called me. He's like, you know your mom's buying me weed for tonight. I don't care. That's why I whispered to you. They probably
He
heard
is?
me. Yeah. And then Nate's getting a lot too.
What? Ashley, can I get an up close picture of you? Stop looking at my butt.
You want your baby mama?
Am I really? Yeah. I didn't even know. Hi, Ashley. Your head's falling down. Hold on, let me fix it.
Excuse me, sir. I need to go.
There we go.
I go.
Oh, it fell down again.
Oh my god.
Ow. I'm having sex in the back.
Don't break the trunk, because that's where I go.
The back seat, you see me?
This is going on YouTube.
I need to go now, ma'am.
Oh, you're gonna dent the hood of the car. You're gonna dent the top. It's going in.
Oh shit.
Just start screaming, this shit is bananas.
This shit is bananas! Oh! Damn it, do it again. No. Oh, car paper. Ma'am, I need you to
It's a fucking banana.
get off my car. And you can't be leaving, okay? No, Trish, no, no.
Ashley, stay up there, you stupid bitch. I'm gonna stop this at 4:20, so she better keep pulling out. Hurry up, fast! Yes! Bye, Katie!
Oh no, she's gonna hit the thing on the thing.
Bye, Katie! I love you!
Bye!
We have like 15 seconds left. Do something
What?